In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn event in just 5 minutes. Creating a LinkedIn event can be a powerful way to engage with your professional network or promote an upcoming initiative or gathering. Let's walk through the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the LinkedIn login page. Simply open your web browser, type in linkedin.com and hit enter. Once you're on the login page, you'll see a form where you need to enter the email address associated with your LinkedIn account and your password. If you prefer, LinkedIn also offers convenient options to sign in using accounts from Google, Apple, or Microsoft, provided you've used them before for account creation or logging in. After entering your credentials, go ahead and click the Sign In button. Be mindful that if you've enabled two-factor authentication for your LinkedIn account, you'll be asked to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone number. Don't worry, it's a quick process to ensure your account's security, and once verified, you'll have access to your account. Now that you're logged in and on your LinkedIn feed, locate the Start a Post box at the top of the page. When you click there, you'll see a calendar icon representing the Create an Event functionality. Click on this icon to proceed to the page where you can start crafting your event. The next step involves setting your event's details. This is where you'll provide necessary information about your event, such as the event name, date, time, and location. Furthermore, you should include a brief description that engages and informs potential participants about what they can expect by attending your event. Ensure every essential detail is filled in accurately to avoid confusion later. Once you've entered all the vital event details, it's time to click Next. This will lead you to a new screen where you have the option to add more context or information to your post. This step allows you to set the tone, provide any additional instructions, or share exciting aspects of the event that could captivate more attendees. Finally, when you're satisfied with your event information and additional post details, go ahead and click on the Post button. Congratulations, you've just created a LinkedIn event. Your event is now live and visible to your network or selected audiences based on your privacy settings. Remember, this digital event tool can significantly enhance engagement and visibility amongst peers in your professional network, helping you foster connections and spark interest in what you have planned. And that wraps up today's guide. I hope you found these instructions easy to follow and that you're now ready to create engaging LinkedIn events of your own. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy networking.